Email scams. Scammers will send bogus emails in the hope that people will enter their personal details. They may direct you to a fake website, trick you into thinking you've won a lottery or a prize, or pretend to be someone you know who has been stranded somewhere and needs money. Some emails may have a link or a file attached for you to click on or open. These are sometimes called spam or junk emails. Opening these links or downloading the files may be harmful to your computer. If you see a suspicious email, don't reply with your details or open any links or documents. Delete the email straight away. If an email claims to be from an organization, phone them directly using the phone number found on their official website and ask them.
Right, that's it. You've made it to the end of the video. I commend you for getting this far, but I want to let you know that the help doesn't just stop there. Our IT services department are here to help at any time, and our learning support team are ready to listen to your concerns. Just ask a member of staff on campus or check the student web for more information.
Go to my.rhacc.ac.uk and choose the IT help desk in the top right-hand corner.
Thank you.